hello, vanakkam and welcome to my YouTube channel APS Arts. Today we are going to make a beautiful home decor using waste newspaper. For that I have taken newspaper piece and a bamboo stick to roll it. This is to make a newspaper stick. We have to roll and take out the bamboo stick and stick at the corner using Fevicol. Likewise, we have to make some newspaper sticks. I have made some newspaper sticks. We can take any round shaped bottom object. For that I have taken 3 newspaper sticks and we have to flat it. Now we have to take one paper and have to roll it around the glass. Apply some glue at the edge and stick it, and then continue rolling it up. Apply glue on all over the stick and stick it. Now attach the second stick. Likewise, we have to attach all the 3 sticks. This is to make the round shape for wheel. Now we have to take a newspaper stick and have to cut it, placing at the center of the wheel. This is to make the rims inside the wheel. Place it like this and take a measurement and cut the exact measurement. Now apply glue on both the edges and stick it inside the wheel. Now we have to measure it from the center to cut a small piece. Likewise, we have to stick both the sides. Now the wheel shape is ready. We have to make 3 wheels. Now I have taken a cardboard sheet and made a measurement of 7 cm. We have to cut it. Then we have to roll it like this. Now we have to measure 8 cm. Like this, we have to cut totally 8 numbers of sticks, and we have to attach it one by one together, total of 8 sticks together. Now take the rectangle piece which we have cut already. We have to apply glue on top of the paper, and let's start stick the newspaper sticks one by one. As shown in this video, we have to stick the newspaper sticks one by one, applying some glue. After attaching it, we have to cut the remaining papers, leaving the rectangular shape. Now let's cut on the other side. we have to leave some space for attaching it. I've taken hard glue to attach the sides. Likewise, we have to make a drum-like shape. For the base, we have to make a round shape cardboard. We have to stick it to the other cardboard paper and have to cut it in this shape and attach it together. Now apply hard glue on the bottom and attach it at the bottom of the drum shape. Now we have to attach this newspaper stick to the wheels. At the center we have to place and stick it using the hard glue. We have to stick two wheels together to this newspaper stick. Now let's take a newspaper stick, bend it equally and make a T shape. Lay the stick under the newspaper sticks and have to press it and fold it. We have to place this newspaper beneath the wheels. Apply glue at the center and insert it inside the first wheel. Now we have to apply some glue beneath the stick and stick it together. Now I've taken 7 cm of newspaper sticks, 2 numbers, and have to attach it from the front side to the top on both the sides. Now 8 cm of stick and we have to place it on top of both the stick. Apply some glue and attach it. Now this gives a beautiful bicycle-like shape. Let's paint the bicycle with blue color and the drum with black color. Now we have to decorate it using the pearl beads. And then some bigger size pearl beads to decorate the cycle at the wheel and at the handle. Now we have to place a small bead at the center. The home decor is ready. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Anh thì Việt Nam